A disease that does not see race. It does not see age, whether you're young or old. Is it haram? Is it halal? Do you lose iman? Why suicide? Is it the solution to your problems? Approximately 2002, they've estimated within 45 years, in 2002, within 45 years prior, right up to 2002, 1.1 million human beings have committed suicide.
And this act leads to hellfire. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah An-Nisa, وَلَا تَقْتُلُوا أَنفُسَكُمْ, which means that, and kill not yourself. Actually, there are two situations. One situation is that person believes that committing suicide is halal, is allowed. So this means that he is turning the haram of Islam into halal. That is a kufr. So if he believes that, and there is an evidence, because we cannot just assume, there must be a proper evidence. Maybe he has given in writing and there are witnesses and he signed it that I'm committing suicide because this is what I believe. And of course there is no namaz-e-janaza for that person, and there would not be Muslim burial for that person. Otherwise, committing suicide, if we do not do that, we will be sinners, because that is now a responsibility which Sharia has put upon our shoulders, and we fail to fulfill that responsibility.
Watch the series Evils of Society on Monday in Madinah Munawwara, 10:40 p.m. in Pakistan, 12:40 a.m. on Madani channel.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।